Hey friends, if you encounter the error, to fix NSIS error writing temporary file program. Now before anything else, just press the Windows key and the R key together and type TEMP and hit enter. Check if the temporary folder is opening. If it does, then select all the contents with Ctrl plus A and hit the delete key. Okay, some of them won't be deleted, just skip them and check again. If this helps, well and good, but if you're not able to open the temporary folder, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here and then click on OK and then select delete files. Okay. This is gonna help, but yes, there may be a root cause behind this. So I will always suggest a clean boot to isolate the cause. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then select the option to restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.